on YouTube. So we got another DS18 package here. It came yesterday, but I haven't got the time to open it. I haven't been posting lately because I've been working a lot these couple weeks, and plus I'm leaving for 2 weeks again, back to Gainesville, and so there won't be much videos going on, but I am gonna get a LED glow right there, since I do have another slot for it. It only costs about 30 bucks. That's an empty spot right here, and so the grill should be glowing too. But yeah, man, let's get back to this package. So in here we got the TW420 tweeters, and we're gonna start opening this up. The box is pretty heavy too. So we got the lanyard. Oh, this is a small lanyard now. Right there. Catalog. And here we got the 4 tweeters. And we got a card. Right up. So we got the DS18 Pro TW420 manual. So the specs. And here they are. We're planning on putting 4 of these on each door, on the front one, along with 6/8. They're pretty nice. They have some weight to it. They're 275 watts RMS. These are the 4-ohm. So I'm going to be putting 4 of these on the FRX 1K. Let's just check these other ones while we at it. I'm gonna put the EXL 8 that I used to have. I'm gonna probably put 6 of them on each door, and 2 of them on the back. Here's the other tweeter. I want to get these tested as soon as possible to see if they work. Let me just check these out real quick too. They all look like in great shape. Hopefully they all play. Yeah, looking good. Let's just open up the last one. Here she is. So here they are. It's just a close-up look. They come with the crossovers right here. And let's go over the specs. So they're 4 ohms. I'm gonna run 4 ohms on one FRX 1K, 275 watts RMS. I'm probably gonna push them to 200, 250, and 109 dB, 1.5K to 20 kilohertz, and 2000 kilohertz is the recommended crossover. It's 1 inch and 3/4 on the voice coil. It's titanium diaphragm, aluminum basket, and magnet. And yep, see the aluminum there? It is a ferrite magnet. Right there. 16 ounce magnet weight. And here's the measurements. But yeah, man, I'm thinking of running 4 of these on each door if they fit, because I'm running 6/8 on the front, the Pro EXLs that I used to have too, and I'm planning on putting these here. I am gonna fiberglass my doors. If not, just put 2 here and 2 on in the middle of these 8s, same as that front door. And then the back, I'm gonna do, if I can fit 4 8s, I'm gonna do it. But if I can't, I'm gonna just put 2 8s and probably 2 tweeters, same as that door right there. And yeah, man, can't wait for this build. I don't know what's gonna be next. I'll probably buy another alternator. If not, I'll buy another battery, and I only have to get one more. But I'm trying to start with my electrical first, so I'll probably try to get my MechMan alternator again, the 400 amp, and start getting the 2 last batteries that I need. And then we can start ordering speakers and stuff, and even the subs. But yeah, man, I'm gonna push the subs. I'm gonna get the VXF15s. I'm gonna push, I'm probably gonna get 2 8Ks on them. But yeah, man, this Tahoe build, it's almost ready to get started. Just gotta order a couple things. And the tent, I still want to tint it so bad, but they're closed due to coronavirus. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned for the next videos that are gonna be coming up. I'm gonna start ordering stuff this week, so y'all stay tuned. See you guys later. Peace.